Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to delete about in WhatsApp using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your WhatsApp and log in your account. Now you want to click on your profile picture at the upper right corner of your screen. Okay? So now here you can see the about section, right? So as you can see that my about in section is now blank. Okay. So to do that, you want to open any browser that you are using and search for invisibletext.com. Okay. So once you search invisibletext.com, you can see this section. Click to copy empty space right here. So click this. So as you can see, it says copied. So you want to go back on your WhatsApp section or window and now click on this edit icon or the pencil option at the right side of about section. Now you just want to paste that here and now click enter or click the check mark and that's it. So that is how you delete your about in WhatsApp. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.